I am Niclas, the father of Holly, and we have also the mother of Holly and the little brother, and we're here together and racing the junior e-Motocross.
Well, the Junior e-Motocross Championship born from the will to develop the future of e-bikes, let's say in motocross, especially motocross, and we had already developed these bikes from the three brands, and why not just create a series where we can just give them the experience of a full factory rider, let's say, but also with an educational part of it. And this is the most important part of the MXGP Junior, is that we can give them obviously the full experience on track and go track walking with the pro riders and visit the pro trucks.
The opportunity is amazing and the experience is great. I never thought we'd be doing a European Championship at 6 years old.
No, I have ridden a little motocross, but not on this level, and only as a hobby. And Holly started when she was 3 years old, and now she want to ride 2 or 3 days every week.
Yeah, I got into motocross from my dad because he was racing the local championship in enduro, and he enjoyed so much all the moto world, but he just got into enduro at 32 years old, so I could not become world champion or something. So it just made for fun. But then first thing when I grow up a little bit to be able to put me on the bike, he did straight away. I was 4 years old, so I started riding with at the local track. I have a track at 2 kilometers from my home, so that's where I spent all my afternoon after school. So yeah, I had so much fun. It was the best thing I could do in my days, and I liked it so much. So I was always riding my bike.
The thing that we like the motocross because we do everything together. We are not like the football game and we are sitting with the side. Now we're doing everything together and we be here for her, and it's a long trips, but also trips we can make together. We like the road trips, and we always take some detours and look at new places and new stuffs, and we like to travel, so it's nice.
I'd say it's constant. You finish one track and then, yeah, through the week you're prepping the bike, getting food ready, getting cleaned, and then you're back to the track, relax for a night, and then it's just the lifestyle, yeah.
A lot of kids get overwhelmed by the fuel bikes because of, you know, noise, vibration, and we have kids with 6 years old, which are pretty small to have an overwhelming experience like this, to have 1,000 people public, and so the e-bike really helps you. First, you can obviously ride it everywhere. You don't need gas, you don't need oil, so you don't have like all the environmental problems that's associated with motocross. So most of the guys can even train in the backyard. So that's the first part, and what makes it easier for everyone to be able to ride an e-bike. And then the other part, the noise, the vibration, that it all makes it way easier to make the transition to the bigger bikes. And that's the feedback we are having from most of the kids, and so I think we're getting in a good spot of development, and let's take this to the future.
Yes, it's helped a lot because she can ride every day when we don't have the noise, and with the maintenance it's easier. So even if I'm not at home, she can race by herself when she's driving at home. So that's helped us a lot.
It's just giving him opportunities to come and race, come do this. But I think with the smoother power delivery for the younger kids, it's definitely a good thing for them.
Mostly it just feels fun, exciting, see what's going to happen.
I think everybody can do this, especially with the electric bike. You don't need to know everything about the bike to keep it in good maintenance, and it's easy now to just keep going, and it's only some small parts you need to change between the races, and it's easy and everyone can do it.
It's so good to see the quality of racing we have in here, and the quality of riders, that they are so experienced, they are so focused, and then at the same time, when they are off the bike, they all play with each other. Most of the times they don't even understand each other, but they are super playful, and that's the best part to watch, let's say.
Yeah, like you say, it's a lifestyle. It's just, I don't know, I like it. You turn up at a track, get his bicycle out of the van, he goes out to play. Like, they don't do that much in the States anymore.
She always want to go to the next race because they are there, and they get to know each other. I think she likes that part as much as the race part. Just hang out with all the other guys and have a good time.